Hello, my dear students of Benguet State University. Welcome to our online class. I am your teacher, Jan Lasea.
Ladies and gentlemen, a blessed day to everyone. This is my 7th lecture on our subject, IT 125, Systems Integration in Architecture 1. The topic that I discuss today is benefits and limitations of Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP. ERP systems require a substantial investment from an organization in terms of cost, time, and people. These investments can run into millions of dollars over several years and involve hundreds of people from the organization. No organization will be willing to invest a huge amount of resources unless the benefits outweigh the cost. The benefits and limitations of ERP can be looked at from a systems and business viewpoint. Similarly, like other IT projects, the returns can be tangible and intangible, as well as short-term and long-term. The management within an organization that implements an ERP system has to account for the benefits and limitations of this system from all viewpoints and focus on the big picture to justify the huge investments in this system to the stakeholders. A strong commitment from management is critical for the success of ERP systems. This commitment will not be internalized unless a thorough analysis of benefits and limitations is communicated. Let us recognize the systems, benefits, and limitations of ERP systems are as follows. The benefits are the following: integration of data and applications across functional areas of the organization. For example, data can be entered once and used by all applications in the organization, improving accuracy and quality of the data. Maintenance and support of the system improves as the IT staff is centralized and is trained to support the needs of users across the organization. Consistency of the user interface across various applications means less employee training, better productivity, and cross-functional job movements. Security of data in applications is enhanced due to better controls and centralization of hardware, software, and network facilities. The limitations are the following: complexity of installing, configuring, and maintaining the system increases, thereby requiring specialized IT staff, hardware, network, and software resources. Consolidation of IT hardware, software, and people resources can be cumbersome and difficult to attain. Data conversion and transformation from an old system to a new system can be an extremely tedious and complex process. Retraining of IT staff and personnel to the new ERP system can produce resistance and reduce productivity over a period of time. Let us recognize the business benefits and limitations of ERP systems are as follows: increasing agility of the organization in terms of responding to changes in the environment for growth and maintaining the market share in the industry. Sharing of information across the functional departments means employees can collaborate easily with each other and work in teams. Linking and exchanging information in real time with its supply chain partners can improve efficiency and lower cost of products and services. Quality of customer service is better and quicker as information flows both up and down the organization hierarchy and across all business units. Efficiency of business processes are enhanced due to business process re-engineering of organization function. The next statement is a limitation. Retraining of all employees with the new system can be costly and time-consuming. Change of business roles and department boundaries can create upheaval and resistance to the new system. The next statement is a benefit. Reduction in cycle time in the supply chain from procurement of raw materials to production, distribution, warehousing, and collection. Let us look at Microsoft ERP implementation. Microsoft rapid growth in the 1990s created major support problems for the IT staff, which felt it had lost control over the systems they administered. The problems arose due to the number of redundant applications that had been developed to support the company's operation. At one point, as many as 90% of the 20,000 batch programs that were retrieving and passing data between applications were redundant. The move to a single architecture with SAP improved integration between Microsoft's business units in its suppliers and customers. Microsoft spent 10 months and $25 million replacing 33 existing systems in 26 sites with SAP. Microsoft claims to have saved $18 million annually as a result, and Bill Gates reportedly has expressed great satisfaction with the SAP software. The key production benefits of ERP systems were as follows. Reduction of planning cycle 95%. Reduction of delivery times 10 to 40%. Reduction of production times 10 to 50%. Lower stock levels 10 to 25%. Reduction of late deliveries 25 to 50%. And increase in productivity 2 to 5%. Here is your case study number 3 entitled United States Army on ERP Implementation. I posted your 7th assignment in our Google Classroom. Please answer and accomplish it.
That ends our topic for today. I hope you have learned in my class. Thank you for watching. Carry on until tomorrow. God bless us.